So this next bit requires me to have a volunteer. No, just sit, don't worry, I come to you. No, it's fine. So many people are eager to come. But I come to them. Anyway, so I'm gonna, a lot of people, they don't know what it's like being autistic. So I'm going to demonstrate. So I'm going to ask you a question. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm grand, thank you.
And then you ask me.
How are you?
I don't know, man, I've just met. Maybe, I mean, I'm autistic, I can't lie! I'm like Lucifer from the TV series Lucifer, which is a very niche reference, but I like the show, so I'll keep it in. It did explain why I hate Catholic school so much, because I'm basically Satan. Should we go for a handshake? Thank you. And you see, this is just what a handshake looks like. You right? What's your name, by the way?
Richard.
Jack. Anyway, just a man shaking a very concerned man's hand in the middle of a pub in Manchester. But in my mind, don't let go. Look, if you think this is intense for you, bear in mind I'm the one with autism. This is far intense for me than it is for you. Okay, no, we're not letting go, because if I do, you'll die. I don't know why, there's enough room for two of us on this door in the middle of the Atlantic. I'll get help. Why are you laughing? This man is drowning. Ironic because they said it was unsinkable.